आज हम लोग बेसिकली डिस्कस करेंगे वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ स्टीफेंस लॉ के बारे में। वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ स्टीफेंस लॉ यूजिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल मेथड। हम वर्चुअली दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट को परफॉर्म करेंगे और देखेंगे हमारा रिजल्ट क्या आ रहा है। ठीक है, तो ये दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट में कंस्ट्रक्टेड बाय आईआईटी बॉम्बे, virtual experiment constructed by IIT Bombay, and thanks to the IIT Bombay to provide us these links, so we can perform the experiment virtually. Okay, so first we open the link. Firstly, we open the link of this experiment, and first thing is the aim. Aim is the verification of Stephen's law using electrical method. Aim is the verification of Stephen's law using electrical method. Then comes to theory. Theory will describe how what is the Stephen's law and how it is the work. Okay, so this is the theory of Stephen's law, and basically it is the power radiated by per second unit area of a body at a temperature surrounded by another body. Is that it is the relations between the power radiated and the temperatures, power radiations and the temperature. So this is the basic theory of the Stephen's law for the black body, but for the black body. Now becomes the next is the pre-test. Pre-test is given simple questions and answer where we can check our theory knowledge. Suppose that the plot of log p versus log p versus log t, yani power versus temperature, log of the power versus temperature for anybody in a temperature larger than the temperature of the surrounding will be, what is the will be kya hoga, what is the, it will be straight line. So these are the some basic these are the some basic questions to check your knowledge about the Stephen's law and their relation between log p and log t. Okay, now we comes to the another process is procedure. Here we describe the procedure how to follow the how to perform this experiment. We follow this procedure and experiment will be performed. We follow this procedure and experiment will be performed. So we must be follow these instructions to make the connection, and then slide the power on and increase the voltage from 0 volt with the increase of 0.5 volt to till 9.5 volt, and this is the process. Now we comes to the simulation process. Now we come the main of the simulation process, how this experiment will perform. Click on the simulation, click on the simulation. It will comes like this. It's a voltmeter and it emitter, voltmeter and its emitter. Then we firstly we have to enable the power. This will uh, give the give a question and answer, means among the following which graph is correctly plotted for log t and log p and log t के बीच में कैसा ग्राफ होना चाहिए, तो हम लोगों को पता है, जैसे we know log p and log t will always come the straight line, then image 1 is correct. This is showing your answer is right. Now make the circuit correction. Okay, so then we are going to connect the circuit. First select the voltage. We have selected the voltage and this is pasted. Then select the emitter. We have select the emitter here. Okay, this is selected. Now select the bulb. We are selecting the bulb and paste here. Okay, select the battery. Okay, now we select the battery. Now we select the battery. Now connect connect bulb with the voltmeter. Now we connecting bulb with the voltmeter. Okay, now the ammeter and voltmeter. Now connect this circuit with, complete the circuit. Okay, now this circuit is completed. Now this circuit is completed, right? We can take the readings from this circuit. So we set the voltage. We first set the voltage 0 volt. It is always is 0 volt. Then current is 0, ammeter current is 0. Then set 2.5 0.5 volt, sorry, 0.5 volt is 17.5, 17.5. Then we add this reading here is 0.5 is 17.5, 17.5. Now another reading is, now take another reading. We set 1 volt. 1 volt is 20, 1 volt में 20 milliampere current is 1 volt is 20. Now it is 20 for 1 volt, it is 20. Now 1.5 volt we set at 1.5 volt. Now it is at 1.5 volt, it is 22.5, it is 22.5. 1.5 volt, it is 22.5, 22.5. Similarly, we can see the for increasing 0.5 volt, its current is increased 22.5 volt, increase in 2.5 volt. So we take the reading 10 readings from here. We take the 10 readings from the here, 10 reading from the here, and calculate 10 readings from the here like this. Sorry, the reading is not here, so we have to take each and every reading. So these are the for increasing 0.5 volt, it is 2.5 volt is increases, so we can write is at 2.5 it will be 22 25, and 2.5 it will be 27, sorry, 27.5. And at 3 volt we have take to each and each reading, and 3 volt it will be 30 volt, and 3.5 it's 32.5 volt, 32.5 volt, and 4 volt it will be 35, and 4.5 volt, 4.5 volt it will be 37.5, and at 5 volt it will be 40 volt, 40 volt. So first increase in voltage reading is completed, increase in voltage reading is completed, right? You have to take to reading every increasing for every 0.5 volt. Okay, now then we have to take decrease in current reading, decrease in current. This means we will decrease the voltage, voltage and current will be decreases, though the degradation will be come as like this. Suppose we set it to 5 volt. Suppose we set the voltage here 5 volt, 5 volt, the current is 40, 5 volt current is 40, 5 volt current is 40. Similarly at 4.5 volt, 4.5 volt current will be 4.5 volt, 4.5 volt current will be 37.5, 37.5, it's 37.5. Okay, I have already taken these reading, so we can write here from the notes. From the notes, it will be for 4.5, it's 37.5, at 4 it is 35, and at 3.5 it is 32.5, and at 3 it's 30, it's 30, at 2.5, 2.5 it is 27.5, and H2 it is 25, at 1.5 it is 22.5, and at 1 volt it is 20, and at 0.5 volt it is 17.5, is 17.5. Now we click on calculate. Now we click on calculate. It is calculated the RZ and mean of RZ. Mean of RZ. It is calculated RZ, resistance V upon I, and it's the mean. Okay. Now it's the calculation. Now we have to take another calculation from corresponding in temperatures, RT upon RT, RT upon R naught. So we have to copy the value of V and I from table 1 to table 2 to click this. Okay, this is calculation. Okay, so we have to copy the tables V and I from table 1. Okay, we have table 1, and then it is calculated, automatically calculated log T and log P, value of log T and log P, and it is graph it is given log T and log P, but graph is not correct. Its graph is not correct. It must be a straight line. It must be a straight line, but our reading are coming like a straight line. Suppose the 6.26465 6.682, it's upgrading, not decreasing. Or here the graph is so its log T is decreasing to 4. Its log T at 6.5, log T is going to this value 6.3, यानी कि 6.5 और 6.5 जो log t है आपका 6.5 से उसके बाद डिक्रीज नहीं हुआ है बल्कि इंक्रीज होता गया है. It is not decreases, it already increases, but in graph so it is decreases. This means this graph is plotted wrong by the software. This graph is plotted wrong. So but our reading is correct. Now we draw the graph 2. Yes, now graph 2 is correct. Temperature versus RT upon RD, it is a straight line. It is increasing with the position. तो ये आपका RT upon RT इज करेक्ट है. और ये ग्राफ आपका जो है ये एक्सपेरिमेंट है इसमें वर्चुअली जो है रॉन्ग शो कर रहा है, बट हमारी जो रीडिंग्स हैं वो करेक्ट है. करेक्ट क्यों है? क्योंकि एट 6.5, देखो यहीं पे देखते हैं हम लोग एट 6.5 पे, दिस मीन्स इस पॉइंट पे ये है log t is the 6.532 6.532 and log p है हमारा 3.5 log t 6.5 और 3.5 6.5 एंड log t 6.6 6.5 ये वैल्यू 6.5 और ये 3.5 की वैल्यू और नेक्स्ट वैल्यू हमारी क्या है 6.6 6.6 और ये वैल्यू 3.9 इसका मतलब बट यहाँ पे क्या शो हो रहा है यहाँ पे जो शो हो रहा है ये रीडिंग हमारी डिक्रीज कर गई ये हमारी क्या रीडिंग हुई डिक्रीज गई 6.2 है बट यहाँ पे है जो 6.6 है 6.6 है इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि इसमें जो सॉफ्टवेयर है वो हमें इसकी रॉन्ग रीडिंग रॉन्ग ग्राफ दे रहा है इसका जो ग्राफ है वो रॉन्ग हमें प्रेडिक्ट कर रहा है और हमारी जब बल्कि हमारी रीडिंग्स हमारी सही है सो we skip this portion this portion we have to take the coordinates of this point and this point we have to take the coordinate from this point to this point and find the slope of the line it will coordinates of xy first coordinate is 6.64 6.4 is the x and 2.2 6.4 6.4 and it's 2.4 we can write from here any suppose it is 6.9 91 and it is 5.28 5.28 now the second coordinate we have to take it suppose this and this will be give the slope of the line this will give the slope of the line okay so slope of the line is the 6.4 it is wrong result it is wrong result this means we have to take another reading it must become in the 4 it must become in range of the 4 okay so this is the process you in which you can perform the Stephen's law by electrical method. Okay, this is the process you can perform the Stephen's law by the electrical method.